I also finally obtained an RTX 5090, and that's not on my desk because that would be crazy. It's so loud. It's down here. I did this build a couple of videos ago. You can check it out. I'll link to it down below. There's the 5090 living inside with a little screen. Right away, let's check the power usage on both of these machines. They're both sleeping. By the way, it's got the Ryzen 9950X inside there, a really powerful, power-hungry processor too. And we're about 100 watts on that machine compared to the 7 to 9 watts that the Mac Studio is drawing while sleeping.